The Semiconductor Journey, Design, Fabrication, and Beyond. Welcome back to our channel. Imagine a world without smartphones, smart cars, or even smart. It's hard to picture, right? All these modern marvels wouldn't exist without one magical industry: semiconductors. Today, we're diving deep the semiconductor business. We'll explore companies like ASML, ARM, TSMC, and explore the step-by-step process of making semiconductor. We'll also see the role of the end user and touch on big names like Samsung, Qualcomm, and Apple. Strap in and let's get started. Let's begin with ASML. ASML stands for Advanced Semiconductor Materials Lithography. They're a Dutch company, and they're essentially the backbone of the semiconductor supply chain. Their lithography machines are used to print microchips. These machines are vital for companies like TSMC and Samsung. Next, we have ARM. ARM doesn't make chips. Instead, they design the blueprint. They license these designs to companies like Qualcomm and MediaTek. This is why you keep hearing about ARM-based processors. It's like renting a house design rather than building your own. Now let's talk about TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. TSMC is a foundry. What's a foundry, you ask? It's where the actual chips are made. TSMC manufactures chips for companies like Apple and AMD. Think of them as the world's chip-making factory. So how does the chip-making process actually work? First, there's design. This is where companies like ARM come in with their blueprints. Next, we move to fabrication. Here, companies like TSMC use ASML's machines to produce the chips. Once the chips are made, they are tested rigorously for quality. The chips then move to the packaging stage. This protects the delicate circuits inside. Finally, they're sent out to tech companies. This is where end users like you and me come into play. But what about companies like Intel? Intel is a bit unique. They design, manufacture, and sell their own chips. This is called an integrated device manufacturer, or IDM. Now, speaking of tech giants, let's talk about Apple. Apple designs their own chips like the M1 and A series, but they don't make them. They outsource manufacturing to TSMC. Samsung, on the other hand, is a bit of everything. They design, manufacture, and sell their chips. They also compete with TSMC in the foundry market. And don't forget Qualcomm and MediaTek. Both design chips based on ARM architectures. Their chips power vast swaths of the smartphone market. Why is this ecosystem important for you? Semiconductors power everything from your phone to your car. And understanding this process makes you appreciate the tech you use every day. So, what do you think? Isn't the semiconductor business fascinating? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed diving into the world of semiconductors, smash that like button. Let us know in the comments which semiconductor company you find most intriguing. And make sure to share this video with your tech-loving friends. Subscribe for more deep dives into the tech world. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.